Ilocano.
Sisi Goreng.
Alam ko na.
Goreng! Endorser pala kami. Endorser na kami ng Jollibee. Ano na lang po ba?
Joke lang nun. Jollibee na. Jollibee. Endorser ng Jollibee.
Hindi ka ano nga daw?
Sige po, Jollibee kayo.
Okay lang.
Ha?
I'm proud of my house.
They love my house.
Jollibee na po, Jollibee. Pa-shoutout po sa lahat ng magpapa-shoutout.
Shoutout to Tita G. Ang ganda ng filter.
Screenshots are available.
Kasi nanonood na Jollibee. Ano ba siya lahat?
Ano gusto nyo?
Jollibee.
Saan daw, be? Saan daw?
Pinay Baro.
Don't know how long that took me. Don't know how.
Bakit gwapo ba ako?
Ha? Ayan, no, live na ako. Oo nga pala.
Wow, yun po. Lumabas na po yung ano niya.
Nilagyan mo na yan. Installment ang salita ni Ate.
Montage.
Yes! I forgot that we're done passing these levels. Right?
Yes. If there's bayad, if we buy the other one with bayad, you can make the own levels, you can go to other levels that people make, and Hey look, I forgot to tell you, there's a thing but if you use too much ink, then you get no stars. If you use too much ink. And then you have 2 stars.